In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your website with Weebly in under 2 minutes. Whether you're updating text, swapping images, or giving your site a full makeover, Weebly makes the process simple and beginner friendly. So let's get started. First, log into your Weebly account. Once you're in, head straight to your website dashboard. At the top, click on Website and then select Edit Site. This opens the Weebly editor where you'll make all your changes. Inside the editor, click on the page you want to modify, your home page, about page, or any page you're working on. Now just click directly on any element you want to edit. Click a text box to rewrite it. Click an image to replace it with one from your computer or your Weebly library. Everything is point and click. On the left side bar, you'll see all the elements you can add. Text, images, buttons, galleries, contact forms, and more. Just drag and drop them onto your page. You can rearrange your layout anytime by dragging pieces exactly where you want them. To customize the look of your site, open the theme or design settings. Here you can change your colors, fonts, and style to match your brand. If you want deeper control, click on Page Settings to edit the page title, URL, or SEO settings so your site performs better on Google. Before finishing, switch between desktop and mobile preview using the icons at the top. This makes sure your website looks great on every device. Once you're happy with everything, click Done to save your edits. Then click Publish to push all your changes live so visitors see the updated version instantly. And that's it. Your website is now updated and polished in just a couple of minutes.